interaction.
Hi. That's how you run to John and Susan, is it?
Yeah, she seems nice, smart.
She'd have to be. Your dad doesn't suffer lightweights. It's great, he's...
Thank you. I don't know if I said that enough at the time, for being there, Mom's funeral and the rest.
I wouldn't have been anywhere else.
Anyway, sorry for making you come in here. It was just less of a risk. They've been following.
And I've seen. It's crazy.
They probably will try to talk to you at some stage. You're free to say whatever you want, of course, but...
It's private. You and me. So, Copenhagen. I read you're moving.
I don't know. It's big, scary.
Makes you happy? Nah, Mary Donaldson does not define happiness, but that doesn't define her life by happiness. It's what you leave behind that counts.
I said
All the time. I better. Will you tell the family and Amber?
Can I, with us, was there anything I could have done better?
You want a report card on your relationship performance?
Constructive criticism? I don't want this one to fail.
We didn't fail. We were great.
Yeah, but then we won, and it's hard to trust that this isn't going to go away as well. No problem. I'm just being...
If this is what you're afraid of for moving, don't be. You're better in big doses.
Great. Yeah, look, I mean, I think there's still a few little slightly disjointed
Stumbles,
moments there
yeah,
and a
yeah,
few
yeah.
little stumbles,
Yeah.
but tonally it's okay. I think, yeah, it's just about leaning into what the scene is for,
Yeah.
what the purpose of it is in this bigger story, trying to, fill it with him being lovely, but that was great. Thank you. That was Oliver. I need a Kai. Great. Got